Welcome to our channel F&F. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ദ ന്യൂസ് സ്പ്രെഡ്സ് എന്ന പാരഗ്രാഫ് നമുക്ക് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സും പരിചയപ്പെടാം. The news spreads. Then grandfather stood up and went outside and called aloud, "Come, Raju, come! I won't beat you." But I did not answer him. I thought that he would beat me. Grandmother was angry and said, "He won't come. You drove him away. I heard you say that you would beat him if he came home. Poor child. He is afraid of you and has run away." Grandfather called the servant and asked them to go out and look for me. They went out, but after a while returned to say that they could not find him. Grandmother started weeping. Grandfather started walking up down the courtyard. The news that I was missing was spread. Our neighbor came first, then our relatives, then others who had the bad news. Many came to offer their sympathies to grandmother. Grandfather did not like this. He shouted, "Nothing happened to my boy. He is hiding somewhere. Can't you some go out and find him instead of wasting your time here?" Some of them went out to search for me. More and more people came, and soon there was a big crowd. By now, grandmother had lost all the hope seeing me again. He started telling the people what a good boy I am. I was the stretching pace returned without finding me. Grandmother started weeping loudly. The woman in the crowd also wept. The servant of the house joined in the wailing. They all acted as if I were dead. I felt sorry for grandmother. I want to come out. Grandfather was a man of strong will, but I knew that he would felt very sad. He did not. However, I lost hope. He stood up and turned the direction of our family temple and prayed. "Help me, God," he said. "Give my child. I want him now. I can't wait longer." He then stood silent in the prayer. At that moment, Uncle returned. He learned what was happening at home. He looked around and guessed where I was. He came to the cowshed and asked me to come down. I came down. Uncle took me into the house. Grandfather just finished his prayers. As he opened his eyes, he saw me standing before him. He looked me up and arms full of joy, hugged me and said, "God hear my prayers and has given my child back to us." കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് പരിചയപ്പെട്ടാലോ. Answer the following. Question number 10. grandmother felt angry with grandfather. Do you support grandmother? Why? I will support to grandmother because grandfather should not have been so angry for such a small thing. Why did grandfather lose his temper? Relatives and then other who had heard the bad news, many came to the offer their sympathies to grandmother. Grandfather did not like not this because the grandfather lost his temper. Where might people have searched for Raja? Why could not they find them? People have searched for Raja in garden, ponds, neighbor houses. They might find him. Can't come out. Prevent Raja from the coming out. Raja prevents was Raja feared that grandfather would beat him. What could Raja say to grandfather when he returned home? Raja would say, I am sorry, Grandpa. I am thinking that Grandpa would beat me. കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ദ ന്യൂസ് സ്പ്രെഡ്സ് എന്ന ഭാഗം പരിചയപ്പെട്ടു. അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ ഈ കഥ ആരാണ് എഴുതിയതെന്നും ലെറ്റ്സ് റിവേഴ്സ് ദ സ്റ്റോറി എന്ന ഭാഗം പരിചയപ്പെടാം.